G- Hello student, today we are going to study about cholinergic drugs. So this is a neurotransmitter junction. The upper neurotransmission is called as presynaptic and the lower is called as postsynaptic. So this is also a depiction of how the neurotransmitter work. So we are going to study about cholinergic drugs. What are the learning outcomes from this lecture? At the end of this lecture, the student will be able to define the biochemistry of parasympathetic system, classify the difference between antagonist, agonist, outline the SARS study of acetylcholine, demonstrate the different chemical modification of acetylcholine, explain the importance of cholinergic agonist, antagonist in the different disease management, demonstration of the action of acetylcholine. So this is a overview of the nervous system. So nervous system can be divided into the two forms, that is CNS and PNS. CNS is termed as central nervous system, PNS is called as peripheral nervous system. CNS composed of brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system composed of somatic and autonomic. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is also termed as adrenergic and parasympathetic is termed as cholinergic. So we are focusing now the parasympathetic nervous system. In parasympathetic nervous system, if we look at the this picture, it it gives the following responses: eyes constrict the pupil, lungs पे constriction and heart पे decrease heart rate, blood vessels पे dilate blood vessels, GIT पे increase the peristaltial movement and secretion, bladder it get contracted the bladders, salivary glands release of the salivations. So what is a motor nerve? Without motor nerves, no breathing, no digestion, excretion, muscles movement, control of body temperature, heat problem. So motor nerve firstly includes somatic motor nervous system, carry message from CNS to the skeletal muscles. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter. This is the structure lead to the muscles contraction. And then autonomic nervous system carry message from the CNS to the smooth muscles, cardiac muscles and adrenal medulla. Two subsystem: parasympathetic nervous system from CNS to smooth muscles, acetylcholine in the neurotransmitter, sympathetic nervous system to cardiac muscles and most of the internal organ using non-adrenaline and acetylcholine as a neurotransmitter. This is the structure of non-adrenaline. Adrenaline actions include increased heart rate, relaxed GIT, urinary tract muscles relax करता है, decrease salivations, vasoconstriction of peripheral blood vessels and fight to flight. It is a life-saving drug. Nerve impulse transmissions include acetylcholine combines with cholinergic receptors. The receptors include nicotinic receptor and muscarinic receptors. Nicotinic receptors is responsible for excitatory response and muscarinic receptors responsible for excites or inhibits. Cholinergic agents, direct acting, indirect acting. So direct acting include act on the receptors to activate a tissue response. Indirect acting inhibit the action of the enzyme acetylcholine esterase. This is the enzyme on which the drugs act and prevent the release of acetylcholine. So they are termed as indirect acting. Major use: stimulate bladder, GI tone, that is gastrointestinal tone, constrict pupil, meiosis, neuromuscular transmission. This is the pictorial form how the presynaptic and postsynaptic system work and what is the mechanism for the synthesis of acetylcholine, how they bind to the receptor and give response, and role of the enzyme named as acetylcholine esterase. This is the hydrolysis of acetylcholine. Acetylcholine, this structure is called is named as the acetylcholine. When the hydrolysis is occurred by the enzyme acetylcholine esterase, it will degrade into two forms, choline and acetic acid. This is the acetylcholine. It is formed of the two system, that is acetyl and choline. As I mentioned before, cholinergic receptors is divided into two parts, that is muscarinic receptor and nicotinic receptor. This is the structure of muscarinic receptor and nicotinic receptor. Muscarinic receptor is found in smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and related to muscarinic. Nicotinic receptor is found in skeletal muscle related to nicotine. The further it is muscarinic receptor is divided into M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. The main location for the receptors are M1 is found in CNS, gastric, salivary glands. M2 is found in heart, GIT and CNS. M3 is found in gastric, salivary gland, GIT tract, eye. M4 and M5 is found in CNS. Now next, the responses is given and the main function is given. Next include cholinergic agonist. Cholinergic agonist, requirement for the cholinergic agonist includes stability of stomach acid, esterase, selectivity of cholinergic receptor, selectivity between muscarinic and nicotinic receptor, knowledge of binding site, SAR of acetylcholine. So muscarinic actions of acetylcholine include cardiac inhibition, peripheral vasodilation, constriction of pupil of eye, increase in salivation and increase in flow of salivary gland, constriction of smooth muscles of GIT tract and urinary bladder. Hence, the cholinergic drug which stimulate muscarinic receptors are used to treat first tachycardia, cardiac arrhythmia, vasospasticity, conditions such as Raynaud's syndrome, glaucoma, atony of Gertz, urinary retention after surgical operation. They can be used as myotis. Nicotinic actions include important pharmacological actions include the stimulation of skeletal muscles. Hence, the drugs stimulating nicotinic receptors are used to treat myasthenia gravis disease, where there is a muscular weakness occur. Classification of cholinergic drug may be classified as cholinergic agonist, that is direct acting. They are divided further into esters of choline, in which acetylcholine is a drug. Next include alkaloid, in which pilocarpine is the drug. Next is the indirect acting cholinergic agonist. They inhibits the choline esterase. They are called as choline esterase inhibitor or anti-choline esterase. The drug includes are neostigmine and physostigmine. The first drug, cholinergic agonist, include pilocarpine. This is the structure of the pilocarpine. It is an alkaloid obtained from the dried leaf of Pilocarpus species. It is obtained from the natural source. It contains two heterocyclic rings. First heterocyclic ring include tetrahydrofuran. ये जो O वाली रिंग है इसको हम बोलते हैं टेट्राहाइड्रोफ्यूरान, एंड सेकेंड रिंग जिसमें दो नाइट्रोजन है, दैट रिंग इज कॉल्ड एज इमिडाजोलिन. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पिलोकार्पिन includes, it is comes as hydrochloride salt, occur as colorless crystal or white crystalline powder, which is odorless and faintly bitter in taste. It is hygroscopic in nature. It is very soluble in water. Next, stability and storage. It is hygroscopic and therefore it is affected by light. Hence, it should be stored in tightly closed container. That container should be light resistant. Its solutions are degraded and undergo epimerization in the presence of strong acid and alkalis. The solutions are most stable at pH 4 to 5. Next, the uses of pilocarpine include, it is used as miotic to counteract mydriasis. Next, to reduce intraocular pressure in glaucoma, treatment of glaucoma में यूज़ हो रहा है. For diagnosis of eddy pupil, that is tonic pupil. For accommodation of near vision of eyes. For counteract anticholinergic side effect, dryness of mouth, constipation, impaired visions. Next include the different formulations. So pilocarpine comes as eye drops, and this is the brand name for the pilocarpine. Next drug include anticholinesterase, that is they are indirect acting. There are two types of cholinesterase, via acetylcholinesterase and butyrylcholinesterase. These both are enzymes. The enzyme cholinesterase फंक्शन क्या है कोलिनेस्टरेज का? कैटेलाइज द हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ एसिटाइलकोलिन एंड फॉर्म कोलिन एंड एसिटिक एसिड, जो मैंने लास्ट फ्यू स्लाइड्स पहले दिखाया है. फिर ये क्या होगा यहाँ पे? नियर द साइट ऑफ लिबरेशन, दस acetylcholine is deactivated. The drug that inhibit the action of acetylcholinesterase prolong the acetylcholine, वो acetylcholine को जो डिग्रेड नहीं होने देगा, जिसकी वजह से वो एसिटाइलकोलिन वहाँ पे सस्टेन करेगा, जिसकी वजह से वो अल्टीमेटली क्या करेगा आपका द एसिटाइलकोलिन, फिर वो वहाँ पे रहेगा, जिसकी वजह से दे आर कॉल्ड एज एंटी एसिटाइलकोलिन एस्टरेज एंजाइम या फिर कोलिन एस्टरेज इनिबिटर. मीन्स वो एंजाइम को इनिबिट करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से आपका न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर वहाँ पे रहेगा. Hence they are called as indirect acting cholinergic drug. The drug which produce temporary inhibition of cholinesterase are called reversible anticholinesterase. So ये रिवर्सिबल जो कि टेम्परेरी करेंगे वो क्या है? रिवर्सिबल होते हैं. उसमें ड्रग्स इंक्लूड हैं नियोस्टिगमिन एंड फाइसोस्टिगमिन. कुछ जो होते हैं आपके इरिवर्सिबल होते हैं, जो ड्रग्स होते हैं ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फोरस एस्टर्स. ये क्या करते हैं? स्ट्रांगली बाइंड करते हैं और कॉम्प्लेक्स बना लेते हैं और परमानेंटली या फिर लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशंस के लिए इनिबिट करते हैं. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? इरिवर्सिबल कोलिन एस्टरेज ड्रग. और जिसके अंदर आपके पैराथॉन जो है ड्रग आती है, ये मोस्टली क्या है आपके पेस्टिसाइड्स यूज़ होते हैं. इसमें जो आपकी फर्स्ट ड्रग आती है वो है नियोस्टिगमिन. नियोस्टिगमिन इट इज़ अ क्वाटनरी अमोनियम एंटीकोलिनेस्टरेज ड्रग. Properties include, it comes as a bromide salt, occur as colorless crystal or white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has bitter taste. It is very soluble in water. It reacts at esteric site of acetylcholine esterase and convert it into inactive dimethyl carbamoyl derivative of enzyme. Stability and storage, it is affected by light, atmospheric oxygen. Hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistance container. It should be used to diagnose Myasthenia gravis. Its methyl sulfate salt help in diagnosis, to treat paralytic loop, for post-operative urinary retention, to promote expulsion of intestinal flatus. It is also used for antagonizing muscular relaxation due to Curare-like drugs or muscle relaxant used along with anesthesia. It comes as injection or tablet, and this is a brand name. Next drug include pyridostigmine. Pyridostigmine is it also comes as a bromide salt, as a crystalline. It is a crystalline powder and agreeable characteristic odor with a bitter taste. It is very soluble in water. सेम यूजेस हैं जो हमारे नियोस्टिगमिन्स के थे, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद स्टेबिलिटी एंड स्टोरेज भी सिमिलर है उसकी तरह ही, एंड इट कम्स एज अ टैबलेट एंड इंजेक्शन. नेक्स्ट ड्रग है हमारे पास फाइस्टोस्टिगमिन. इट इज़ एन एल्कलॉइड ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द सीड फाइस्टोस्टिग्मा स्पीशीज. इट कंटेन हेक्साहाइड्रोपाइरोल इंडोल heterocyclic ring. Here 2,3 position of pyrrolidine heterocycle is fused with B bond of indolene heterocycle. The fusion is cis. It contain इंडोलिन एंड पायरोलिडीन का स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है. इट कंटेन्स मिथाइल कार्बोमोजाइल ग्रुप एट द 5th position, 3 methyl radical at 1 and 3 and 8 position. Properties include it occur as colorless crystal, it is odorless, it is sparingly soluble in water. In the presence of air, moisture and light, it is converted to phenolic compound which is oxidized to pink color complex. Stability and storage include it become pink on exposure to light and air, hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. It is used to treat glaucoma, to treat poisoning with anticholinergic drugs and tricyclic antidepressant drugs, for reversible of post-operative overdose, to treat some psychiatric and neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, as miotic, to counteract mydriasis. The pharmaceutical formulations comes as eye drops injection, and this is a brand name. Thank you. I hope this video is informational for you. Now from next lecture we will continue about the cholinergic drugs, cholinergic reactivators and anticholinergic drugs we are going to study in next video. Thank you. I hope this video is informational for you.